guys, it's Jasmine here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I went to Target and I had a gift card, so I got some new Maybelline products. So I finally have enough products to do my entire face of Maybelline products. And so I got like a new palette that I saw that Maybelline came out with. It is the Total Temptation eyeshadow palette and blush palette. It comes with blushes, highlighters. It comes with 2 highlighters in the center and then the rest are eyeshadows. So I'm going to be using that today in my full face of Maybelline products. So if you guys want to see that, then keep on watching. Alright, so I already did my base and that was kind of dumb because I have Maybelline foundation, but I just decided that I was going to do a full face of full face of Maybelline instead of just reviewing this palette. So I already have my base done. I mix these 2 foundations, the matte poreless foundation and the Dream Cushion foundation. This one's a little bit red and this one's a little bit too like olivey or yellowish kind of. And so I mixed them together and just created this beautiful base. I want to dive in with this eyeshadow palette first today. So I'm just going to dive in. The matte shades and everything look really nice and creamy. I like this little texture that they imprinted on the shades. And I already swatched them and they swatched beautifully. So I'm already having high hopes for this palette. I'm going to start out with this red shade right here. A lot came out from the brush. Okay, they are going on really smoothly so far. But I am having to dip back in a couple times just to get the color that I want. And this is like a lighter color, so it's probably going to show up more vibrant at first on people that are lighter skin tone, but I'm having to dip back more and more each time I want to blend out this eyeshadow. Oh, and I did not realize they're kind of powdery. I might have been like dipping in way too hard, but I was dipping like this, and you know, powder is getting everywhere. Not as bad as like, oh my, I'm dropping things. Not as bad as other palettes that I've used, but still very powdery. Next color I'm taking is this color right here. And I like how this palette is set up for like a warm tone side and a cool tone side. And I like how they give you 2 different types of highlighters and they're not just like the same highlighters. And I feel like these highlighters are going to be very universal for not everyone, but it can fit like a lot of people. I can already tell by those colors. And this brush picked up a lot of product. Ooh. And so just going to blend that into my crease more. And honestly, I have really no idea what kind of look I'm doing today. I'm just playing with these eyeshadows. Alright, and now on the outer corner, I'm taking this brown shade right here. Just a regular old, you know, brown. That purple color that I put in my crease was not doing it for me. Alright, I'm liking it so far. And now I want to take that black shade and just slightly deepen up the outer corner a little bit more. Not too much. And this black is not the best black, but it's actually pretty decent black. Okay, and first I'm going to put this shimmery purpley color on my lid just to see, you know, I might blend this color with another color. Ooh, that's pretty. Not as pigmented as I would have liked, but you know. Hold up, let me just spray some water on my brush and I'll be right back. Ooh, that's better. Yeah, I like that better. Yeah, definitely spray some water or setting spray on your brush before you put these colors on your lid. But I've had to dip back into the shade a lot just to get some off and onto my brush. So that is kind of annoying. Alright, now that's really pretty. I just want to top it off with this goldeny shade that I'm at the top of this eyeshadow palette, just to top it off with that. You know, just to look at this color. And I grabbed a lot. Oh my. Ooh, that's really pretty, yeah. Okay, I like that a lot better than just the purple. The purple was not as pigmented. I'm going to put on these lashes by Allure, the definition ones in number 126, and I'll be right back just to finish off the eyes. Okay, now for the rest of my face. Where's concealer? Alright, so I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I love this concealer so much. Like, this is some great concealer. Don't mind my pimple right there. And I love this concealer because it's lightweight, it's hydrating, but it also has some good coverage in it. And so while I was at the store, I forgot that I did not have a Maybelline setting powder. So I'm going back in with my trusty matte, my Flower bronzer that I use as powder. And I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes. This good old powder. Alright, for bronzer today, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder in 360. Use this all the time on my channel, so it should not be a shock. I'm going to be taking this blush in this Maybelline Master Contour palette. And this blush is not that great, but it's the only Maybelline blush that I have. This is like, it's kind of really deeply pressed in there, so you have to dig really deep in to get any pigment. But, you know, it's still a pretty blush after you dig your brush into it. Now for highlight, I'm going to first try out the gold one. I'm going to, you know, just dip into it and coat my brush with it. It's coated. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put it on this side of my cheek. Oh, I rubbed a lot, okay. Well, I did not know it was this, like, pigmented, so. And on the other side, I'm going to grab the purple one, just to see. Ooh, this is pretty. I want to put that one on my nose as well, just to have something different. Now, I'm going to be putting on the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I need to coat these lashes. And I also forgot that I didn't have any lipsticks that are from Maybelline, so I'm just gonna put on this gloss real quick. Ooh, I have an idea. I'm gonna lightly tap over with some of that purple. Alright, we went a little bit crazy today with the lips. This is different. Okay. The purple highlight and then the gold one. Alright, so my final thoughts. I love the highlighters. They're really pretty in the palette. I of course love the foundations. I've been using these forever. I love the never mind. No, I don't really love this. The blush is okay. There's better blushes even at the drugstore with this. I love the powders. The whole Fit Me line is great. The concealer is great. Everything's great. Just a little bit of things I could use some critiquing. The eyeshadow palette. Oh, I almost forgot to talk about this. So yes, I really like the highlighters. As you can see, they're doing their job. And I like how they have two different highlighters, you know, just to switch it up. My favorite color is purple, and I'm surprised I did not do purple highlighter yet. Like, what? And so I'm happy I finally got one. The eyes could be more pigmented. They're very creamy and really easy to blend, but they could be more pigmented, could use a little bit more work. But for, how much was this palette? I think it was like $9 or something. For $9, this is a pretty good palette. And you get you get two highlighters and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eyeshadows in here. And you can also use the highlighters as eyeshadows and the eyeshadows as highlighters. So why not? You know, this is a great palette overall. Like, I'm not mad at it, but I'm loving this look. I'm liking how I put the purple on the lips today because I did not have a lipstick. I'm definitely wearing the wrong color for this look. I'm wearing I'm wearing burgundy with purple lips and purple eyeshadow, so this is a little bit crazy. But, oh, also, today I used the green background. I think this is going to be my first video with you guys seeing the different background. I don't know what color you guys are going to be seeing yet, because I have not edited it yet. But it might be black, it might be white, I don't know. Might be purple, you know, why not? So, I don't know yet, but I have a green screen behind me. Let me know how you guys like it, and also let me know how you guys like this video down in the comments section below. And also, if you guys enjoyed today's video, give this video a thumbs up, especially if you like full face tutorials and full face makeup videos. I enjoyed filming this, and I post every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so you know, if you want to come back at Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock Eastern time, I think I'm at, yeah, I think. And if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it is Jazmine.Mangrum, and my Twitter is Jazmine Mangrum with a capital M at the start of Mangrum. I'll have it on the screen. And then also my Snapchat is JNM3003. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm talking really fast for no reason. I don't know. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!